Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory. I have an exciting new update to let everyone know about regarding our surgical guides. Now this covers either your standard surgical guides like your tooth, tissue, or bone supported guides, or our stackable patented CHROME GuidedSMILE. So either one of those, whatever spectrum of guide you're doing, this is an update, you want to listen to this. We now, upon submission of your surgical guided case, we now have the ability to schedule your online meeting right away. Right when you submit the records, you're going to have the ability to schedule your online meeting. So there's no more waiting around for us to contact you. Maybe you missed the call or the email. You can do it right away. Now, of course, we have to make sure that the records are perfect. So if you have any questions on the records being submitted, you can contact us once they're submitted, and we can verify those records for you. Now let's talk about the CHROME GuidedSMILE records, where it's Combi Guide or CHROME GuidedSMILE. The first two pages are your standard RX and records submission, and then the third page is where you're going to schedule your online meeting. So again, you can schedule it, we have a buffer in there, but you can get it right on the calendar right away. Regarding the standard guide, your tooth supported, tissue supported, and bone supported, that will be on the same page as your case submission. There'll be a little link. You can click that, it'll take you to another window and schedule your online meeting. So again, this is another just benefit of working with ROE Dental Lab. We want to get you to surgery faster, and now this will help get everything aligned. Once those records are submitted, schedule your online meeting and we can get that case out and get you into surgery faster. We look forward to working with you on all surgical guides. Give us a call if you have any questions here, or check us out on the website. And as always, thank you.